if ChatGPT keeps giving you useless answers. The problem is not the AI. It's your prompt. And 90% of users make the same mistake. In the next 2 minutes, I'll fix it and your results will instantly improve. Let's go. Most people talk to AI like Google. Short, vague, no context. And the AI does exactly what you asked. It gives the most generic answer possible, because you gave it zero instructions. Step 1. Add a target. Not what, but for whom. Explain marketing to a small local bakery owner on simple terms. Same AI, completely different result. Step 2. Control the format. AI is a machine. Machines love instructions. Explain marketing to a small local bakery owner in simple terms in 5 bullet points. You are no longer hoping for a good answer. You are designing it. Here is where most people fail. They never tell the AI who it is. Help me improve my resume. You are a senior recruiter reviewing junior developer resumes. Improve my resume and remove weak phrasing. Give the AI a role and suddenly it stops being average. Because it has perspective. And context changes everything. Now it knows what matters and what doesn't. Here is the simple formula you should always use. Role, task, context, format. Role, who the AI is. Task, what it does. Context, your situation. Format, how the answer should look. You are a productivity coach, help me plan my study session for learning Excel. I only have 30 minutes and I'm a beginner. Give me a step-by-step checklist. Notice something? We didn't make the AI smarter. We made the instructions clearer. So if ChatGPT sounds dumb, it's usually confused, not stupid. Fix the prompt, fix the output. Try this formula today and you will never go back to random answers again. If I've made you a little smarter, subscribe to the channel and we won't stop there.